Rise and shine, Leo. It's a brand new day.
Captain Sunny.
Good morning.
Yan.
Good morning. Good morning, sleepyhead. Let's make today amazing.
Making my bed is easy. Wow, your room already looks neat. One small habit makes a big difference.
Brush for 2 whole minutes.
Front teeth, back teeth, top teeth, tongue too. Don't forget little circles.
Keep scrubbing, champ. You got it, son. Perfect. Look at that bright smile.
Wow, I'm wide awake now. You look super fresh.
Fresh face. Fresh start.
Good morning. Breakfast is ready. Yummy. My favorite fruit.
Healthy food gives your body and brain energy.
Healthy breakfast. Superhero power. Books? Eel. Water bottle? Lex. Lunchbox? Well. Homework? What? I'm ready. Great job, Leo. Have a wonderful day.
Learn something new and have fun.